Welcome to Aztec Washer Company. If you're experiencing problems with leaks, pipes, conduits, cables, and wires that penetrate your metal, residential roofing, or siding, we have your solution. MasterFlash, an answer that ensures you no more leaks, with a minimum of a 20-year warranty. Extreme Angle MasterFlash Square Base. This installation guide will cover the Extreme Angle MasterFlash. This design meets all roofing needs to form a tight seal on most panel configurations and roof pitches regarding pipe location. The Extreme Angle is available in two sizes made of EPDM rubber and in a high-temp silicone. Covers from 1/8-inch to 8-inch pipes with a built-in 40-degree pitch. The one-piece flashing allows for a 5 easy-step installation and usually takes 5 minutes to install. Extreme Angle. Materials needed: measuring tape, marker, scissors or snips, drill, master seal bonded washers, fasteners, and sealant. Step 1. Measure the pipe diameter and cut the flashing 20% smaller than the pipe. Pipe diameters can be seen clearly for proper fitting. Step 2. Slide the flashing down the pipe to roof surface. Step 3. Form the flashing into cover gauges and outline the base with a marker. Step 4. Apply sealant inside the marked roof surface. Step 5. Complete the installation with master seal bonded washers and fasteners. Fasteners should be 1 inch to 1.5 inches apart around the entire base for a tight, secure seal. Review the installation and apply extra sealant if necessary. Problem solved! Seal it right, seal it tight. Please visit us at www.aztecwasher.com or contact your sales representative at 1-800-927-4375 or info@aztecwasher.com for other quality MasterFlash product. Visit the Pitch Data Calculator app at rpc.aztecwasher.com.